Hello, sir. Can I talk to you? Would you like to play a game with me?
Who are you? Hey, I know you're only doing your job, but I really don't have time to sit here.
I'm sure you've played Doc G before, right? Play a few rounds of Doc G with me, and each time you win, I'll pay you 100,000 won.
Wait, so if I hit your Doc G and it flips over, I get 100,000 won.
And if I can flip yours, you will give me the exact same amount of money. You can also be the first to play. Well, what's wrong?
So the thing is...
How about you use your body to pay? I'll take 100 grand off per slap.
One more round. Get over here. It's my turn to do this. What are you doing, jerk?
You know, sir.
Hey, dude. Is this a new pyramid scheme or what?
Red light, green light. You are allowed to move forward when it shouts out green light. Stop when it shouts red light.
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light.
You got eliminated, idiot.
I will now green